Watch it up. But once people them know, say, we need to go check Khago and give some tin mackerel, some sardine and bully beef, toothpaste, soap and rag. And Westmoreland. Alright, see, this is first thing we buy for you. So me a third thing.
Yo, man say Fambo don't play now. See him get Khago get egg. Yo, them crackers are the best, you know. Yo, and them crackers are security. Them crackers are essential for security, you know, man. Long time I don't drink a eggnog, you know. Yo, what the Caribbean island people them there? If you don't have them thing over Foota Island, where Trinidad and Tobago, say we Cayman Island there, we don't have them eggnog something here. We don't need them Jamaican products here over now in the place, you know. You see me? We don't need them although Jamaica product them get watered down. Right now, I'm sure most of the other Caribbean place them a lead with when it comes to the item them on we shelf, we like a snack. Cause we don't have the snacks them like we used to one time, you know. The nice sandwich biscuit them. Right now, the sandwich biscuit them dry up.
No, it not really suffer from
Yeah.
nah, sell out my friend them which he did, he sell out me a Shani's up. He have one more hit, so we had this go for me. He need a phone, see big phone I'm buy for him. Cause in video them blurry. And the big phone is I'm buy for Khago.
Yo, look how the man fold the phone fall in a toe. Where Fambo get the phone there? The man bend the phone in a toe, dog. See him? Yo, I swear to God. Watch ya.
You can't tell me nothing.
Look
See
at
ya? Big phone. Nice phone.
Look on the phone. Yo, the phone they favor Khago to lot now. Khago, it's just a shit in our bag. What that? What that? Stand out, what that? What that?
You know what, see me rich too. My mother house not be a fish too. You know what, me have me one with too. Make up a trip with champagne and tip too. You know what, see we enter. It's on your way, teacher Benza. Feel the know one when me gone tender. But mine a pretender.
Bad mind a pretender. Mr. Capalat, I eat this Capalat.
Khago is really Khago is really Khago is really nigga things when you want to with your mouth feel like a cloud. You're relaxing up and see a joke.
Little cloud.
Don't put your grills in a crowd.
Little cloud.
And I watch that one.
Little.
Cause the girl them say, oh, them have to handcuff Zebra before them give him the scratch, you know. Cause them like him, you know. You see me, him song, them have a vibes and him have a character different from him negative side, him evil side, when I grip the girl them like Foota.
Man, never read.
Bread. Yo, anybody when name Bread at Jamaica, try and know say a gangster. You see me? Remember say a bread man used to there around I do, you know. And breadis. No how we call him, you see me? All me used to there around breadis too. Bread man.
Yes, sir, what is?
Dunga.
One family.
Dunga. I the name there around the 90s, you know. Dunga. If you do when you use the name there for try kill Munga, you know, who remember? When him say, man, a whole war, Munga, boss half piece of dinner, so the kid them shop like thunder, the 4-4 gap like thunder. You know, I make from Honda. But we from shot no flexi son. We get a piece from cassava piece, man, but no roll like the banana leaf flank.
One family, you know.
Don't watch, what him name again? What I want your name again? He might kill it too, you know, from your see this bomb buckler. How kind of weed the man never smoke? Them money I see red, brother. You see me? Them money I seen dead. You see me? Them money I do the dirt, man. You see me? Wait, what the him say that one your name again? I could catch him name. Jordan in the red like Chicago Bulls with Jordan where shoot boy from 3 points. Bumbleclot. Jordan a shoot them 3 points. I take with them 3 points. You see me? I slam down shot in a boy head.
Watch the Central, man. One Spanish Town. One Westmoreland. One Miami, you know.
Berja, Bumbleclad, Berja, a murder, pussy clot. Fambo a part with the killing them. You see me? Yeah, man. So we are gonna go look for the gal we love the grapist them what I'm telling about. Yeah, my people. So the youth here will expose the girl them. You see me? We love the grapist them. See, I'll do the magnum there, you know. She like it, you know. See, do the magnum, yeah. She always under the post them. Think she easy? See her, yeah? Do the magnum. She find big song still. Her career a take off again. You see it? So make we go into this year, I must say. Watch you know.
This is some man or woman who no big and boring no blood clot. When man a no lock down to go fuck, a man a romance, you know. Man a suck off on no breast nipple, and I use all the middle finger and I play with the clit. How no I get honey, how no dep when you just lie down big and dead. So touch me too, let me feel you. I want to y'all don't want get honey. Pinch up my titty nipple them man. Blue in my ears. That's my cocky get tough the right way too. So when time you go put on the condom, my would not feel me. This is some man or woman.
Yeah, man, that me I say. And they show you how the girl them love the grapist them. Because the grapist no need no affectionately touch. Them no need to be affectionately touched. Them just want to see a little pitney, see a girl. Them for them cocky walking stiff.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you see in little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Game little bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, super fragically, lesbially, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, they be claring that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley, no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, we mad dog. Addi left a bad push with a cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough alive, bad. Yeah, people. Jano. Fambo, that one here is really a comedy. Fambo starter. Fambo starter GoFundMe page. Fambo versus Khago again. Yo, Fambo no fair pay Khago no mind, you know. Cause Fambo for no say him elevated to a higher realm, Zine, of bad mind because a beanie man, would just see Fambo take down. I'm telling you, you know. Me did tell you no, say Fambo, I go bring down beanie man. Zine, and that's the thing there. You see it? And that's so the thing, them people. Remember, you know, me telling you, you know, say Fambo, him done elevate from Khago level. And Ja place Fambo for war with Beanie. Then, for become enemies with Beanie. Because God say, Fambo, you never complete the work. Because Beanie try to tear down Fambo. Then, I'm going to say everybody a try style Fambo as some rummed type of drinking thing, and them try for style Fambo as some drug addict, right? And none of them where I say Fambo drug problem, none of them no blood not better. You get me? I see if Shana controller do the same thing. Then when Fambo drinking habits now have nothing to do with being man slapping in face. I see one video with one waste man talk about him with a box Fambo 20 more time. A 20 shot would have put in a blood clot behind and in a head tap. You get what me I say? Yeah, some little waste batty boy where they are foreign talk about if him did there Jamaica him would have lick for Fambo 20 more time. Think I said go? So may I show you say Fambo got done remove him from the Khago level up to the beanie man level. I'm telling you, say, a Fambo go bring down beanie man, you know. And you see it in the midst of beanie and Fambo war, beanie man go put him foot pan. Woman, I'm telling you, say, beanie man I go lose him limbs too, you know. He might go lose him man for put pan people and him foot for put pan the woman. Then, I see people are congratulate Beanie, but Beanie I get beaten and him not stop get beaten. People still are beaten. The sensible people them still are beating, but the dunce people them I make it look like say Beanie man do something good. Friggin' idiot them. Because of them type of evil people that them love. You see me? But them hate the core of goodness with Kartel who say God is the greatest. See the man who really help people, who really love people from day one. And them want to fight. See? Yeah, so we're not gonna see how Fambo start a GoFund for Khago. Khago pop down, you know. You know I say? Khago pop down. Not up on Fambo level. That's why Fambo no fear go backwards. Hey Fambo, listen to my words. And don't go backwards. You're done elevated and past Khago level. Now focus on him. Make him a call up your name Fambo. You're done past him level. A beanie man level your thing there. You get me I say? And we see you bring down beanie man. Because beanie man have to forward out and apologize. You see me I say? After I'm done, I go on like say a lot of people I tell say him put hand on you. And we see if we walk and talk admit it. Zin? Say a true beanie man put him on Fambo for true. Zin? And walk and talk it admit say beanie man slap with bogle. Walk it talk admit it. Cause walk it talk say you don't know say a beanie man style that man for say who that I talk about me when you know say I know me. At the same thing him do to bogle. You see me I say? So walk and talk expose them. You see it? I should try find the video. I gotta do it too. I find the video. But make up go into this first, see it? So see it start, you know. Watch out, this is the ending now, but I start over again, see?
Yo.
Man said the phone good, because the phone he must set up for get Khago. You see me, just once the phone. The phone there, the strangest phone, you see. Watch out. Alright, so see him caption it there. Him say go fund me for Khago. He needs it. He needs it. Future Fambo. Watch out. Let it play.
Yeah, right. I reckon music. Watch it out. But once people them know say we need to go check Khago and give some tin mackerel, some sardine and bully beef, toothpaste, soap and rag. And Westmoreland. Alright, see, this is first thing we might be. So me a third thing.
Yo, man say Fambo don't play now. See him get Khago get egg. Yo, them crackers here are the best, you know. Yo, and them crackers here security. Them crackers are essential for security, you know, man. Long time I don't drink a eggnog, you know. Yo, what the Caribbean island people them there? If you don't have them thing over Foota Island, where Trinidad and Tobago, say we Cayman Island there, we don't have them eggnog something here. We don't need them Jamaican products here over now no place, you know. You see me? And you need them, although Jamaica product, them get watered down. Right now, I'm sure no say the other Caribbean place them a lead with when it comes to the item them on we shelf, we like a snack. Cause we don't have the snacks them like we used to one time, you know. The nice sandwich biscuit them. Right now, the sandwich biscuit them dry up. See? Cause them a put less money in the business, forget quality, right? But them a expect a whole heap of quantity, like large number of items and things on the shelf. Them a manufacture so much things that is undervalued. There's no nutrients, nothing to them thing I would them ever sell people for name in Jamaica again. Them lack the quality. You know what I mean? All the eggnog them nowadays, them thin and coming like water. Them not rich again like one time. It's sad, so I'm sure no say if you go Trinidad and some place, them have better snacks than our snacks. I'm sure no say we usually lead all black in the 90s. We have the best supplement eggnog and them thing there. But the supplement full of water, Them coming like some blood not coronation milk, we call them coronation milk something there. I hate them. Little Canadian milk them. Them disgusting. You see me? Skim milk. I must say carnation skim milk, something like so. You see it? So that is how our product have become. Them watered down. But them good for Khago still. You see me? I not feed on snacks. Like I know some big man thing they like. I see how some big man in the morning I buy snacks and I eat. I can't do it. You see me? My might can eat a little snacks in the night. Cause I smoke. And sometime in the night you want ketchup. You know what I mean? Your stomach with a nightcap. But they even like a spice bun again. There's something about it. I think there's too much nutmeg in our spice bun. It just have this insipid taste. Like everything I find a problem with nowadays. I can't comfortable enjoy the things them where Jamaican is known to have what we could enjoy. You know what I mean?
Oh, fun me, Khago. No, it not really suffer from
Yeah.
sell out my friend them which he did, he sell out me a Shannon. He have one more hit. So we had that go fund me. He need a phone, see big phone I'm buy for him. Him video them blurry. And the big phone is I'm buy for Khago.
Yo, look how the man fold the phone. The phone fall in a toe. Where Fambo get the phone there? The man bend the phone in a toe, dog. When I see it, I never see same bend it, But I say, wait, how the phone there? Look like him cut the phone in a toe, sir. See him? Yo, I swear to God. Watch ya.
You can't tell me nothing.
Look
See
there.
ya? Big phone. Nice phone.
Look on the phone. Yo, the phone the favor Khago to learn. Khago, it's just a shit in our bag. What that? Yo, boy, man, I tell you. The Sean Storm. The Sean Storm. You remember how Khago tried to tear down Sean Storm? Bumbuckler. What that? And you see it? Right now, Sean Storm, I run the dancehall. I'm going to tell you now, say mosquito go down. I'm telling you, say Sean Storm. I go find the song them. I'm tell you as my sister man. We see it. Sean Storm I burn up the place. The man will secure us an interview with on stage. See him for Fambo. You see me? Bucklad. What that? Wait there.
Why waste another summer not loving your body?
With Base 44, we turned that
Sean Storm.
successful business.
Nah. Mr. Capalat. I eat this. Capalat. It's just a Khago. It's just a shit in a bag. What that? It's just a shit in a bag. What that? Khago. What that? What that? Khago is really shit in our bag. Khago is really shit in our bag.
Khago is really shit in our back.
What that?
Khago is really shit in our back.
What that? You see me, Jean Storm, fix him blood clot. The boy used to text it for Jean Storm. You see how the table turn? Yeah, man. Now look on the phone here. The phone here for name Khago to man. Because it look like a shit in a bag. It favor Khago, you know. That little square up phone. It bad, man. Them phone here. Which year the phone here come from? Yo, Fambo just hold the phone and crush it in a total blood clot. Yo, at the first me, I think I see something like that phone already, you know. I swear, but I can't recall. You see me? But tough, man. Tough piece of phone. See? Hold on, what the time I say? 6 Friday, 9:23. 9:23 p.m. Friday. You see? So I can see what more him set up for Khago. Big up Fambo. Fambo against Khago, and Fambo crushed Khago and left him last in the pass. You see me?
Khago, I go fund me stuff the virgin. Pass the water. Right, but you shouldn't drink all. You shouldn't drink all the water, baby. Khago. No, sorry. What you want now? Everybody, work with me. Go fund me, Khago. You can say that with me. Go fund me, Khago. Thanks. The artist need help, virgin.
Yeah.
We see Nita man down prison. We see Zebra come from prison. The lady tell me, say Zebra, they have to go put to an handcuff where I lock you up so back. So you know, in carry everybody.
Go on, we are go Fambo. Sure. Outside. Too early for this now, man. You see me? I done here, so I check on. Done with them, you know. We I check the comments, them. You see? But watch out. I go just see him final walk away. The phone good? You see me? I could go in and comment now. See what go on. Alright, so media dead with laugh. First thing. I drop the comments. So media dead with laugh. I just comment a while ago. In the morning, yeah. Nearly 5 o'clock. Fambo, start your own podcast and thank me later. Because they must say Fambo too funny, you see me? Yeah, man, Fambo will have a successful podcast, real. He have a lot to say. Him Vybz, vibrant, talented. He have a whole heap of history story. He know a lot about the music industry and the people, them insider, the artists, them producer. Fambo have a whole heap of story inside I made. You see me? Anyhow, Fambo for release some of them story them him have about the artist, them man. Them want to analyze him. You see me? People for stop talk about Fambo and him drinking thing there. Because what them money do worse. Me not see them talk about merciless and film drugs, so. You get me? And some people just love talk about the bad side of things where you do. And them will never talk about the good things where you do. You see me I say? And them not talk about the bad things where the evil people them do. Like Beenie Man. Fambo no do nobody no evil like what Beenie Man has been doing. And where enough of them wicked artists have been doing. Fambo no evil. So don't allow the man drinking, and if him want to take drugs, don't allow the man because him not hurt nobody. The problem is when people put them on people and want to obey people and hurt people. Those are the problem people. Not the people who hurt themselves. You get me I say? Because it's always better you, Shelly and Coran, go hurt yourself than for go hurt somebody. Because we now go this year if you hurt yourself. I better on hurt on yourself than if you hurt others. You get me I say? Yeah. Do unto others as you want others to do unto you. Zine? So if you want to hurt yourself, that is fine and that should be fine. Because at least you're not hurt nobody. And yourself you hurt. I better you do that. Zine? So I'm not see why them abuse this drinking thing and this drug abuse thing. Zine? Like say, the whole of the young artists them now, them under this, and I sing about this substance, this drugs use and, you know what I mean? And it is the hype thing now. And they now use it against the artists them for tear them down. But yet still, a Fambo no one come tear down. That's why I'm not self, man. Big up Shelly and Coran still, is it? Yeah, so Medic. John wanna remember Medic? The one I name Medicai or Medic I don't know. Medici or Medici. See? And them say flambo. like a somebody flamboyant. Come on now. Preach. Let me see, there's some reply to Medici. So one Siva Siv say the drunken master that. You see me? Me lurk with that. It's like the Kung Fu drunken master. Chosen by God _ ever blessed say. Me say he needs to with the podcast. That chosen by God ever blessed. I say, I am big kid. Fambo don't sleep on the comment to start a podcast. See? Everybody is saying to start a podcast. All me say facts. Zin? Fambo is funny, man. Ground me reach, murderation. And this is 35 minutes ago. This is like 4 o'clock in the morning. Razor bead upon it. That war agonize. But it done happen already, Razor bead. Where the Fambo done right half Khago and had elevated to challenge Beanie Man. I would say Fambo bring down Beanie Man. But they tell us that are going. Get me? Yeah. Because Beanie Man make him ego, lead him for the wrong. See me I say, bro, who would have thought after 2009, 2010, one day rhythm Shani's records, we would have seen these beefs. I show speed forward. Remember the 2010 track, we all love, and now then war start, now Khago get involved. But Khago did involve before it reached I show speed and thing. Don't forget, when Siva Siv, I say Khago and Fambo that war what the year before the whole I show speed and Beanie Man like 2 months ago. See? Go fund me, Khago. Yeah, man, Khago go wake up and see this and I want to do a whole life, the whole day man sit down around him live and blood clot at provoke. Fambo, watch out see. You gonna hear him say Fambo down the house. You gonna hear them say at the 90th time this Fambo a bus back and him for make use with the next first. And him for make use with him and Sean Paul. Big up Fambo, you see it? Him Sean Paul a rock with. Me have to go respect, me have to go put respect on Sean Paul name, you know. Although from Sean Paul big up the Gaza, bare respect me I give Sean Paul, you see me? Yeah. Sean Paul big up the Gaza in one of them song where they say want a girl bad like the Gaza with handcuff. You see me? People are dead. Watch out. Be a laugh in the morning 4 hours ago, 58 minutes ago, all type of minutes. One of the comment them get blocked. But hidden, like you see what I say. So where Instagram hide this for? I'm fool not fat. See it? Yeah. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Dirtily, muckily. A corrupt family them that. Sean Paul. People them. Dirty cup. See me? Tamba the legend. Kiva the legendary. Diva there. Alright, we're gonna hide that in my people. Basically, you see me? Fambo set the internet on blaze today. We could play it out one last time. For sure no Fambo madded gang them. I sure no Fambo have some killy them with him, you know, them a record with him because you see, Beanie Man got threatened Fambo. So Fambo get him dog them from out of the yard them. You see me? Watch out.
Yo. Crime. Yeah, right. I reckon music. Watch it out. But once people them know say we need to go check Khago and give some tin mackerel, some sardine and bully beef, toothpaste, soap and rag. And Westmoreland.
Yeah, the toothpaste necessary more than anything else. Khago need it. Him teeth them yellow and sometimes him a go see me. You can see say him thing there. Watcha.
Alright, see this is the first thing we might do. So me thought to go fund me Khago. No, he not really suffer from nah sell out my friend them which he did, he sell out me and Shani's. He have one more hit. So we are like go fund me. He need a phone, see big phone I'm buy for him. Cause him video them blurry. And the big phone is I'm buy for Khago. Nobody can tell me nothing. See that? A big phone. Nice phone. This is a Khago, I go phone.
It's a suitcase phone, you have to call it the luggage. You have a call up one day the luggage to blood to your pull it.
It's tough them virgin. Pass the water. Right, me tell you, you shouldn't drink out. You shouldn't drink out the water, baby. No, sorry. What you want now? I want everybody work with me. Go fund me, Khago. You guys say that with me? Go fund me, Khago. Thanks. The artists need help, virgin. We see Nita Manda in prison. We see Zebra come from prison. The lady tell me, say Zebra. They have to go put to an handcuff where I lock you up some back. So you know, you can't hurt nobody.
Cause the girl them say, oh, them have to handcuff Zebra before them give him the scratch, you know. Cause them like him, you know. You see me, him song, them have a vibes and him have a character different from him negative side, him evil side, when I grip the girl them like Foota. You see? I mean, I showing us the girl them love the gRAPIST them more than the gentleman them. See? And I think I lie me I tell, girl them love the gRAPIST them more than the gentleman them. See? Because the girl them lazy, them no want suck off the man them titty, them no want kiss up the man them no want rub down the man them. Hear what them girl do nowadays. Them girl want you for them just want to take off your clothes and expect to see big good. You get what I say? Them no want season up the sex and make it intense and nice. Them no want work. You see me? Them expect you alone for make them wet and a kiss up them neck and all type of thing. And them no want do back crap. But when you forgot some woman, them a draw down your pants too, you know. Zin? But them no want do nothing forget your thing arouse. You see what I say? Them girl are lazy and this is why them love the gRAPIST them. Because the gRAPIST them for them thing ever up. You get me? I say, when them in the streets, them no need to be seduced. The gRAPIST them no need for seduce, and them girl are not seduce you. Zin, you have to seduce them, and them blood clot just want sick cock. You get me? I say? So I got show on all of that. Alright, watch ya. Yeah, my people. Yeah, watch that one here. I never intend to play that one here, you know, but I see that one here last night and repost it. Zin, one of the King Tavi style Fambo again, another one here. One of the King Tavi style them. Yeah, go see. Zin, now watch that. Watch what I'm gonna say. And then after that video, I will show you him friend, and then we're gonna show you the girl them. We love the gRAPIST them. Zin? Watch that.
You remember Bridget, right? What do you? Then kill him and shoot him. And my Bridget come check me and tell me, say, Fambo, the boy that will kill him, we have to go give them back shot. Me say, give them back shot? No! Of course, me not do that. No man not get no back shot. I'm no shot, no fire back. But me say, kill him man. Kill him what? If you get back shot now, stab him now. Me don't know about it. Leave it alone. Just live in a God love and leave people business alone. You remember Bridget, right? What do you?
Yo, I feel so this a serious thing, you know. Because this a being man, he might show you same dog, them want go for, you know. But he might tell you, say, yo, look. He might show you, say, look, my dog, them will go for being man now, you know. Because what do you, 1 hour dog, them get shot and Fambo soldier, them say, yo, make a go for the man where shot to Bridget and give him back shot. You see? And Mama say, no, we're not even stab him. Allow him, leave him to God. You see me? Leave all judgment to Jah. As Luciano says so. Yeah, man. So, yeah, my people. So Fambo killy virgin them, yeah. You can tell, say, some cereal them, you know. And when I talk about cornflakes, when we say cereal, you know. Then, when I go look up the next type of cereal them we have when it comes to people, you know. And I don't play with them money, you know. Then, the money already forgot all out for Fambo. And I hope so too. Because of the impression that I get from them and the universe. Is it? Because same way with Laden too, you know. When I time I think say the dog them with Laden apart with some real grimy man them. Until we see police wall Laden with a gun in him car. And none of the grimy man them when I have as grimy man them no take the blood not blame for the weapon and own it up. See? A Laden will see have to do time for it. You see me I say? Jaja know. All the family that roll with Laden would have rub after 5 years there. You see me? Make them know say, yeah man, I'm my weapon. Maybe the police them would all analyze me. But I don't care. A lot of that, dog. A lot of good youth, You see me? Yeah, man. Sometimes we have to sacrifice ourselves for the greater artists them we can make a big change for the world. And that's why it's important that the artists them help people. You get me I say? Because you have people like me where I put them first. And imagine if an artist now help people and me willing to die for them. What the hell me I go die for them wicked one they when I do nothing for nobody. So when me dead now, I just waste my life because me put an artist before myself when now help people. You get me I say like Addi and him no want help people. But him broke to still and go on like him rich, you see me? One bag of fandangles around him neck. So make sure you future Fambo killy them.
Yo, cuz, what going? Man, never read. Yo, bread.
Yo, anybody when name bread at Jamaica, try to say a gangster. You see me? Remember say a bread man used to there around I do and bread is not how we call him, you see me? All me used to there around bread is stuff. Bread man. You see him? I see the guru, the brother on YouTube. I see him cover story about breadis. See him? But I don't know how accurate it is because me hear him say bread man afraid of man. And we know you have bad man we afraid of other bad man to more time, and some bad man just want the problem when them rich too and successful, you see me? Them just want drive around in a them pretty car and them pretty girl and live up. You see me? So I don't know if at them time in the bread is sit and why guru did I say bread man afraid of other bad man and you know what I mean? But bread this where me know did their own doing ya, where me used to their own. And breadies were rub time a Rockers Island, a foreign. And I remember when them man they get free up from Rockers Island and forward to Jamaica. You see me? On the PMP, them give him one big orange bike. Say, yo, are you that? Because them man they are real gangster, you see me? So, once them man they forward out of prison, them things set, copacetic. See me? So, anybody where you hear in a Jamaica name, bread man, breadies, bread van. Trust me, is a bad man. Like this one here. Fambo cousin. You see me? Don't play with them.
Please stop. I want to get to that. I want to get to that. The brother girl, did I care with him? Hurt it. If he ever scratch him bars, they shoot him. Hurt it. About 7 police, I might get.
That's why the people them as a Fambo need him podcast, Look how him cousin are going. Cause him cousin not expect it, Or maybe him cousin expect it. Him cousin know, Say Fambo come with the fucker, dog. It's like him cousin know him, So him cousin always not to in him story them, Cause I know Fambo come with some fucker more time. And him cousin look serious, like a serious killer, you see me? Yeah, man, big up Fambo cousin straight and all I dog them. You see me? Watch it, I see the rest of them.
One family.
Dunga had a name there on the 90s, Dunga. If you do when you use the name there for try kill Munga, who remember? When him say, man, a whole war Munga, boss half piece of dinner, so the kid them shop like thunder, the 4-4 gap like thunder. Make from Honda. But we from shot no flexi son. We get a piece from cassava piece, man, but no low like the banana leaf lang. Yo, some baiting the man I say, like Dunga and fat like Susumba. Oh, me attack suck pussy dread Munga. The weight with dollar suck something in him face and me boss it till Anna stuck. Yo, the one you say box Munga in him face one at a time till him Anna stuck in a Munga face. You know when you box a man and all one of your finger got stuck in his mouth? That the one you say, you see me? The one you say, the one you say, 40 pebbles stab off like Susumba. Oh, me attack suck pussy dread Munga. The weight with dollar suck something in him face and me till Bama boss. Yo, them days they did nice with the music, Everybody a war. That's why we love the war thing, dog. We love the war blood clot thing. I want to know. You think me can love when the artist them a war and me no want get involved in the war? You mad? No. This are not true the Ananjais war, no cut and knife scare, this appear the price war. This is not a nice war, no 3-star SLR, this a panditar, lift up more up on the tar, brain gas star. Yeah. See what me I say? No Ludi and Anjais war, this no. Hey. No lose the game and dice war, no truly a non-dice war. This is not a nice war. This a pay the price war, no 3-star SLR, no cut and knife scar. Left your man up on the tar and your brain with the star. You see me? Yeah, hombre.
Jordan. I would have burned.
Jordan look like a killer, you know. You go see Jordan and Dunga. Them, you see them? Jordan and Dunga now. Them look like them more peaceful, you know. Them are the youth them where, you know, want to see for them bad side. You see him? Watch ya. Alright, see Dunga ya, serious motherfucker, and him attentive, you know. Him go on like him nah hear what go on, you know, but notice how him quick when him hear him name, you see me? Dunga. One Fambo, look on the eye, kill the eye, you see me? Mother ass man, them man you no wash face, brother. No watch no face, you get what me I say?
One family, you know.
Don't watch what him name again? What that one your name again? He ma kill it too, you know, from your see this bumbuckler. How kind of weed the man never smoke? Them man you see red, brother. You see me? Them man you seen dead. You see me? Them man you do the dirt, man. You see me? Wait, what the him say that one your name again? Make you catch him name. Jordan in the red like Chicago Bulls with Jordan where a shoot boy from 3 points. Bumbuckler. Jordan a shoot them 3 points. I take with them 3 points. You see me? I slam down shot in a boy head. Bumbuckler. Watch ya.
I would have burned.
See Birch ya? Bumbuckler. Birch send them go a church in a funeral coffin box. Aye, you see that box where Beanie give Fambo? Yo, you see, anyhow for blood clot, Fambo for box back Beanie. Them money I got do the dirt, brother. You see me? Me I tell you, watch a real killer you know. The killy. Him are the master killy. Remember I said the first one, you know. The first one when he bred. See? Them man they quick for chop out your head. You see it? That's why him not talk. But you have to rate when blood clot Jordan and Dunga them there on, cause them more peaceful. Them are the type of people where you know want to see them drought. And it harder for them get drought. And once them type of people get drought, you can't calm them down again like Ellie sang. Calm them down, calm them down. Come on, calm them down. We calm them down, we calm them down. Yeah, now you can calm down Jordan and blood clot Dunga. But see the real evil MFKR, yeah? What's the clot? Watch out. Bumbuckler, we name Berger. Them money a spray beanie like paint and red blood clot cell beanie. Them money a drain the blood clot red blood cell in a beanie. You know? Yo, it's the real killer people. Me I tell you, say, I don't know what them money are smoke, but me I tell you, I want some of that weed there. Cause you can see it make them look like them just a wake up. Watch out. See, there enough farmer smilings. Real cereal, dog. I tell you, say a cereal them, you know. And when I talk about no cornflakes, and no say cereal. You see me? No joke.
What is Central, man? One Spanish town. One Westmoreland.
See, the Westmoreland that dog get forward from, and Dunga forward from Spain. So the man them from all 14 in a one place.
One Miami, you know.
That's why I beat the Amiri. Yeah, man, the Amiri, a big brand shirt. Them, they, you know, they have the shoes them expensive as fuck, and them bad. The Amiri shoes them. Them have them at Jamaica, you know, but I don't trust them. And them look real at Jamaica. What if I go down an arcade? You see me? 20 grand, me see them like the Amiri shoes them for. You see me? Them tough, man. Them look solid. But me da buy it from foreign. But I have to trust the Jamaican Amiri brand them. You see me? But if me I go arcade, Real bad man, no muggle in the shots. Me straight jeans, cut half foot pants. Everybody have the axe, so me get my clocks. Everybody have the axe, so me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast. And that me I tell you, Mosquito no understand same for working vocals in a different ranges and sound. Kartel no use that sound there often, brother. You see me, it's a different sound that with Kartel. Mosquito stuck and trapped in a loop. Fruit Loops. Mosquito the real cereal to blood clot. Him the real fruity loop where them used to use make music and beats and rhythm. Mosquito the real sweet cereal. Cornflakes that. Fruity Loops. They're great. Mosquito that. Say my greatness. Cornflakesness that man.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Oh. Alright, so I'll take you to the girl them. We love the grapist them. Zin. So big up Breadman, big up Jordan, big up Dunga, big up the last one. Zin. Yo, whatever. For call film name, a judgment. You see me? What name?
What is Central, man? One Spanish town. One Westmoreland. One Miami, you know.
Berja, Bumbleclad, Berja, a murder, pussycat. Fambo a part with the killing them. You see me? Yeah, man. So we are go look for the girl we love the grapist them what I'm telling about. Yeah, my people. So the youth will expose the girl them. You see me? We love the grapist them. See, I'll do the Magnum there, you know. She like it, you know. So do the Magnum, yeah. She always under the post them. Think she easy. See her, yeah? Do the Magnum. She find big song still. Her career take off again. You see it? So make we go in this year, I must say. Watch you know.
You see some man or woman who no big and boring no blood clot. When man a no lock down to go fuck, a man a romance, you know. Man a suck off no breast nipple, and I use all the middle finger and I play with the clit. How no get honey, how no dey when you just lie down big and dead. So touch me too, let me feel you. I want to y'all don't want get honey. Pinch up me titty nipple them man, blue in my ears. That's my cocky get tough the right way too. So when time you go put on the condom, my would not feel me. You see some man or woman.
Yeah, man, that me I say. And they show you how the girl them love the grapist them. Because the grapist no need no affectionately touch. Them no need to be affectionately touched. Them just want to see a little pitney, see a girl. Them for them cocky walking stiff. You see me I say? And them man the girl them love. Something alright, as when Ninja Man would have say. Now make a find when Ninja Man there. Zin? But I show you the real girl them will love the real man them. Zin? Watch ya. Yeah, my people, watch ya now. See the girl, see the real girl them ya. Legendary diva. You see me? She no left Fambo. Zin? She know Fambo as a good man. She can trust him. He man no grapist. Zin, that's why we need man like Fambo. Zin at the dance. Where they're not like the Jackie or them. They're not like the Bunty them. We are going to stand by Richie Stevens instead of standing by and protecting Tanya Stevens. You get what I say? It's real woman this. You see me? You see when you're part with good people and support good people, then your children them safe, your family them safe, and them get treated great. You understand? But when you support evil people, them go on with beer wickedness like Beanie, all of them. You see me where the corruption. You see me big up to Vybz Kartel him different. You see me burn out the grapist them. It a tape? Bumbleclad. Watch you know. Hey, you see how easy Kiva deal with the dance? You see me? Hey, that song your Ninja drop, it want to remind me of the artist where 119T theme style from. The 119T theme style from the artist who sing the song about who them a program, who them a young girls of them hype on, who them a program, who them long and well them hype on, who them a program, who them girl you sit down and a hype on, who them a program. So that song I want to sound like. Another artist there, Ninja 119. Him 119 take him style from who them a program. Let me see something there. Who them a program song. I'll Proto J sing it over. See Proto J name come up there. Who them a program. May I put in Proto J name. Who them a program original dancehall song. Track. Let me see who sing it. Papa San. A Papa San. See that Papa San.
Walking down the streets, watching
You watching me.
go by.
That's how it start.
By.
Big
Walking
video.
down the streets, watching me go by. By. Watch me now.
Who them a program?
Who them a young girls have them icon? How them a program? Woman have time to find some solution. How them a program?
No, me not
Who
think.
them a young girls have them icon? How them a program?
Me not think of that one here. It look like them done couple this is not the original when me attack. Who them a program? Who them a and a swipe on? I don't think a Papa San do the one with me attack. And a Proto J name a thing there, you know? Chucky Jules, I think there. Anyway, I just said there, hold on.
Man.
You see how Kiva just easy with it? Yeah, man. Kiva just easy with it. She not struggle for catch a dance. She make it look so easy. She know the step them before she even make the move. You get me? I say just easy, smooth. You see me?
Yeah, man, I forgot end it right here. You understand? This is where it ends. I'm out.